I'll sing about the pheasants in Lat Pa Daung region. It's a place in the middle of Burma. I think it's about 8 years long battle. The battle of pheasants against the copper mine projects of Chinese Corporation 1 Pound and the Burmese Myanmar Economist Corporation MEC. They grabbed their lands and now they are fighting back for their lands. The song is called The Sound of Lat Pa Daung. Of Lat Pa Daung, the sickles you are raising now, shaking their crowns. For the land of your mother, the land for your daughter and son, the spirits of slingshots are stronger than guns. The darkest hours before dawn, the people in the picket line getting more and more. Could kill your leaders, but can't kill your resistance soul, and your courage to fight till the goal. It's a warning to the MEC, the warning to the Chinese Corporation 1 Pound. Just listen the sound. Your copper mine project on all and no longer lost in one. People arise, keep calm and go back your home. Pheasants of Lat Pa Daung, our heads are now bloody but never be bound. To the fist we are raising, to the red flag we wave in the sky. Never be true until we all die. This is warning to the MEC, the warning to the Chinese Corporation 1 Pound. Just listen the sound. Your copper mine projects on all and no longer lost in one. People arise, keep calm and go back your home.